Can AI run your smart home out of the box? Not really. ChatGPT cannot flip a light switch, but I got pretty close. So here's what I did instead. I took a lamp in my living room, put a smart bulb in it. Any brand, doesn't really matter. Dropped it into Home Assistant on a Raspberry Pi and then bridged it into one app where I can literally just tell it what I want. If you run Home Assistant, you know the trade. Incredible power, total brand freedom, but the polish is on you. Family-friendly remote access, automations anyone can build, AI control. That's all stuff you normally have to set up yourself. What I'm testing today is a shortcut. Bridge what's already in Home Assistant into the Hey Tuya app and get that control layer on top without replacing a single device. To set up a regular lamp from a living room, a smart bulb, and here's the point, it's not a Tuya branded bulb. It's a TP-Link Casa, an ordinary off-the-shelf bulb from a completely different ecosystem, about 20 Canadian dollars. A Raspberry Pi 5 running Home Assistant wired over Ethernet, so it's rock solid. And the Hey Tuya app on my phone. The claim we're testing, anything Home Assistant can see, the app can control. The chain runs like this. The bulb goes in the lamp and joins Home Assistant like any normal device. Then Tuya's official Home Assistant bridge links Home Assistant into the Hey Tuya app. And once it's bridged, the app becomes the control layer for everything on the other side. Step 1 could take about a minute. Put your smart bulb in, and one rule. The lamp's on switch stays on from now on because the bulb needs constant power. A quick pair in the Casa app and then Home Assistant does its thing. It auto-discovers the bulb on my network. I confirm it and the lamp is now an entity on my dashboard. Toggle it, dim it, change colors, all controlled locally. No Tuya anything involved yet. This is just a normal Home Assistant device. Now the part this video is actually about. Tuya ships an official Home Assistant bridge. I installed it, dropped a free API key from their developer portal, and the integration spun up a virtual gateway with a QR code right on my screen. Scan that with the Hey Tuya app, confirm, pick which devices to sync from the gateways panel, and there it is. My lamp, a TP-Link bulb on a non-Tuya hub sitting in the Smart Life app. 2 tips that can save real headaches. After scanning the QR, go back to Home Assistant and hit submit. That's what saves the link. And add devices from the Gateways On panel in the app, not the regular add device button. And now the payoff, the thing from the hook, AI control. Instead of hunting for toggles, I just tell it, hey, please turn the lamp on. And the lamp, the ordinary $20 bulb I screwed in earlier from a brand this app has no business knowing about turns on. That's an AI operating a real physical device in my living room through the bridge. And the AI is just one layer of what the bridge unlocks. There's remote control. It runs through the cloud, so on mobile data, away from your Wi-Fi, the lamp's still in your pocket. No tunnels, no port forwarding, none of the setup Home Assistant normally needs for that. There's automation built right in the app, like the lamp fading on warm at sunset. No automation editor, so anyone in the household can make one. And there's scenes, one tap, changing power, color, and brightness together. Focus mode, whatever you build. And as you add more devices to Home Assistant, any brand, every one of them can join through the same bridge. The trade-off is that the bridge runs through the cloud, so the app layer needs internet. Your local Home Assistant control keeps working regardless. But what you get is the polished family-proof control layer on top of hardware you chose from any brand. Your setup stays yours. The app just makes it usable for everyone. If you're running Home Assistant and you're tired of being the family's IT department, this is for you. And if you're new to all this, start with one bulb and the app. The rabbit hole is right there when you're ready. If you want to try this on your own setup, the download links are in the description. Use the redemption code. And if this kind of smart home build is your thing, let me know in the comments.